Good day, I am Professor Wickert van Niekerk, Dean of the Faculty of Engineering at Stellenbosch University. As we approach this year's Engineering Industry Showcase with the valued support of Wesgro, I would like to take a moment to reconnect with you ahead of what promises to be an interesting and engaging event. On 27 May, we bring together industry leaders, our researchers and industry stakeholders at the Century City Conference Centre for a day focused on new developments in engineering and its role in shaping a more resilient and competitive economy. At the heart of this showcase is the recognition that real impact often happens when academia and industry work together, combining research excellence with practical insight to solve complex challenges and unlock new opportunities. During this year's program, we will explore a broad range of interconnected disciplines, from sustainable development for the environment, aerospace and robotics, to biomedical engineering and health technologies. These are all areas where partnerships play a critical role in shaping what comes next. Our researchers will share insights from their latest work, with the program also designed to create space for dialogue, to engage on real challenges, identify opportunities to strengthen partnerships that will continue into the future. We look forward to welcome and engage with you in Cape Town on Wednesday, 27 May.